A link click is one of the strongest signals a subscriber can send you. They didn't just open the email, they acted. So let's do something with that by building an automated workflow in SureContact that detects the click and delivers a unique coupon code to their inbox automatically without you touching a thing. Let's get started. So before we build it from scratch, I just want to show you quickly how the overall flow is mapped out, because there's actually a split between two automations here, one in SureContact and the other is in OttoKit. So here inside SureContact, this workflow handles the engagement side. Zoom in a little bit here so we can see this a little better. So when a subscriber clicks a link in an email campaign, we check to see if they already have the tag, and that's our split here. And if they haven't been tagged, we go ahead and add a tag, and then we're going to send their information over to OttoKit. Then we wait, a couple of minutes for the coupon code to come back from OttoKit back into that contact, and then we're going to send the email with the coupon code in it. So over in OttoKit here, we were catching a webhook, then we have an action for SureCart to create a coupon code, and then we update that contact with the coupon code. So basically what's happening is SureContact is handling the trigger and the email delivery. OttoKit is really just creating the coupon for us via the SureContact action step and then updating that contact. So let's build this entire thing from scratch so that you can follow along. We'll click over here to workflows. We're going to click on new workflow, give our workflow a name, call this Peek and Pour, because that is our name of our fictitious coffee company. Peek and Pour, link track promo. And this is for a product called the Ritual Kit. And we'll click on create workflow. So for our trigger, of course, will be email events, email link clicked. And for the specific campaign, we're going to be doing this one right here, Peek and Pour Father's Day sale. If you have more than one link in your email, you could use the link contains option here. And what that will allow you to do is specify the link by the text of the link. But we don't need that. We only have one link in this email, so we're going to leave that blank. So we'll click done. So there is our email linked trigger. The next thing we want to do is prevent duplicate coupons, because otherwise somebody would keep clicking the same link in the email over and over again and continue to get new codes. So we don't want that to happen. So we're going to put in a branch step here. So we'll click the plus sign, flow control, click on branch. And the condition here is, do they have a particular tag? Let's go and find the tag. So we'll click on tags for our field, and it'll be contains. And the tag itself would be called Father's Day Nudge. Then click on save. So if it's a yes path, the workflow ends, nothing else happens. But if the answer is no, now we continue. So the first thing I'm going to do here is add that tag. So we'll click on the plus sign here, click on contact management, click on add tag, and we'll select that Father's Day Nudge tag and click done. Okay, so we've added that tag. Next, we'll set up the webhook. So we'll click the plus sign here, and this is under integration. Click on send webhook. Now we need to get the webhook from OttoKit. So over in OttoKit, we're going to click on create a workflow, create from scratch. We're going to call this the Peek and Pour SureContact coupon generator, and we'll click on create. Now for the trigger here will be webhook, and our event is to catch the webhook and click continue. And we're going to copy this webhook URL, go back over to SureContact, and then paste it in here for our webhook. Send the data along to OttoKit. Our method will be post. Our body type will be JSON, key value pairs. And then we're going to add in the value or the data that we want from our contact to go over to OttoKit. So I think what we need here is email, obviously. So we'll do email there. And then for our values, we'll hit the add symbol. That will give us our variables, and we'll select email address here and click insert. And we'll do that for first name and last name and the UUID field. Click done. So with our webhook set, we still have to test that. We'll come back to that, but I just want to finish up the last couple of steps in our workflow automation here in SureContact. So our next step is to add in a wait. And this part is kind of important because OttoKit needs a little bit of time to generate the coupon and then add that coupon back to the contact in SureContact. So we'll add a wait delay here. We'll click on that, flow control and wait. And we're just going to wait maybe a couple of minutes here. So we'll just say 2, and then the unit will be minutes, and click done. And finally, we'll add in the send email action. So we'll click the plus sign again. It will be communication, send email. Subject line will be something like special discount just for you. Maybe the preview is a quick follow-up, something like that. Now we can do create a new email or start from an existing email. So we'll create a new email from our template. We'll do drag and drop. And our email template we're going to use is this one. And we'll click on replace and use. So here's our email template. We're just going to change out our button URLs here that we have for grab my kit and claim my 20% discount. So we'll click on the button itself. We're going to add a URL directly to our product in SureCart with the coupon code at the tail end. But the coupon code is actually going to be a variable, which we've added by clicking on the insert variable here. And so at the very end of our URL, you'll see contact custom coupon code, and that's where it's going to go. So rather than putting the coupon code directly in the email and then having a contact copy and paste the coupon code, I thought it would be easier just for them to click the button, and then that will take them directly to the checkout for them to then have the coupon automatically applied to their total. Much cleaner that way, I think. So I've just added in that URL there, and I'll do that one to the bottom down here. So we're just going to click on save and continue. It'll go through moderation. It's probably going to give us a little spam trigger warning because we're saying free shipping or free shipping on all orders. So that's what it's catching there, but that's fine. We're just going to click on continue anyway. And now we're back in our workflow. Just to confirm our subject, preview text, all that's looking good. Email sender, we can just leave all that blank and click on done. So that's our SureContact automation workflow. One thing to point out here, if you wanted to go even further, instead of just sending a single coupon email, you could use that tag that we're applying here to kick off a full sales sequence of emails. But that's a video for another day. Now we have to go over into OttoKit and do a few steps there. Now, in order to save our trigger here in OttoKit, it needs to see a sample webhook come through at least once so we know what data structure to expect. So I'm just going to trigger the automation quickly from a previous test campaign and activate it, then click on the link in the previous campaign. And once OttoKit captures that sample data, we can then go back in and change the trigger, deactivate the workflow, and then continue our building. So back in OttoKit, our workflow here is pretty simple. First action step is going to be SureCart. Our event will be to create a coupon. So we'll just search for coupon. We'll need a connection to your SureCart from OttoKit. And then our coupon name, we can just give this something internal to us. Our discount type will be percentage. Show optional fields here. We want to just hit a space here for the promotion code, and that will allow SureCart to auto-generate one for us. And we can add in some other options here, like limiting to specific customers or usage of the promotion code, product restrictions, things like that. I think we are going to do usage limit per coupon to 1 and usage limit per customer to 1. And I think that'll be it for now. And we'll click on continue and click on test action. So we'll click on save. And our final action here is to update that contact in SureContact with the coupon code. So we'll just search for SureContact, select our event. We're going to be clicking update contact. And once again, you'll need to have a connection between SureContact and OttoKit, and click continue. And our UUID, we're going to click on the map option here, and we're going to hit the @ symbol, and it's going to be from our webhook. Here's our UUID right there. And for our email, same thing. We'll click inside here, hit the @ symbol, select our webhook for our email, and then we'll select show optional fields. And we want to scroll down here to see custom fields, and we'll generate custom fields. This will list out all the custom fields in my workspace here. And we're just going to scroll down here until we see coupon code. Here it is right there. And we'll hit the @ symbol again. And this time we're going to select SureCart. And we're going to search for our code. Here it is right here. That's what's going to get updated back into our contact. And then we'll click on continue and click on test action and click save. So from there, we're going to test this out, of course. So we're going to click on publish here. And then we're going to go back over to our workflow automation in SureContact. and activate this again. And now we're just going to test it out. So we're going to be sending out an email and this email again is the Peek and Pour Father's Day sale. So let's go over to our email campaigns. Here it is right here. And we've got it already set for recipients and we've already composed it here. We've already got our email in there. And what we're tracking is this link right here, Shop the Ritual Kit. And so whenever anyone clicks on that, it will trigger our workflow automation. So we're going to just go ahead and go forward here and click next. And so we've got our list in there, all looking good. It's going to go to 12 recipients and we're going to click on next. And it's going to do some AI analysis for us to make sure our email is good. Again, we're getting that one warning because of that free shipping. I'm going to allow that. I'm just going to click down here to send the campaign. We're going to send it immediately. Our campaign is now sending. So I'll come back to the video when I receive the email, which should be in just maybe a minute or so. So here's our email right here. All looking great. So we're just going to scroll down here, down to the bottom and click on Shop the Ritual Kit. That will take us to our website like so. And all we need to do is visit this website just once and it will trigger our automation workflow. And so we'll just wait a couple of minutes because of that delay, and then we'll come back to the video and I'll show you our email from our automation. So here's our email that we just received, our special discount just for you. All looking good. Now we're just going to click that little error there with our coloring of our button, but that's something that we can fix. That's why we always do the type of test thing, right? But if we click this, it should take us over to our checkout with the coupon automatically applied. And there you go. There's our coupon automatically applied. It's got the coupon code there for us, and it gives us our total. And that's it. One click, 2 platforms, 1 seamless experience for your subscriber. No manual follow-up, no missed opportunities, just the right message landing at the right moment. If you're not on SureContact yet, there's a link in the description for you to get started. Hey, if this was helpful, click subscribe because there's a lot more tutorials like this coming. We'll see you in the next one.